Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And you have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, but also on the iPhone you can connect your headphones to the HUAWEI Connect application, and I will tell you how to find this feature at the HUAWEI Connect because it's just a bit different. Open HUAWEI Life. Now tap at your headphones at the device list, and it will open for you headphones menu. If you use HUAWEI Connect, it will already open for you headphones menu. Then you need to scroll down and under the sound effects, so you will have the line with sound effects on HUAWEI Connect, not Live. You will have gesture control at the left side, so it looks like this, the same icon, the same text, and on the Live we have it on the right side. Click on it, and now let's work with it. So firstly is double press, and for the double press, let's say I want to change the right one. We have options to play next or previous track, but I recommended to leave it for the triple press. But of course, if you want to, you can set it for the double press, it's up to you. And we can add voice assistant. I want to leave play pause right here, but you can tap at the left or right earbud and select the best one for you. Then we have triple press, and for the right one, I want to leave to play next track. And for the left earbud, I want to change it to play previous track. As you can see, we have only two options. That's why I said that I recommend to leave play next or previous track for the triple press. And I just change it. Then we have press and hold, and for the press and hold we have two options, ANC or wake up voice assistant. So I want to add it also for the right earbud. I click on it, select wake voice assistant, and for ANC, right now we will switch between ANC, normal mode, and transparency mode. If you don't need some of this mode, let's say you don't need normal mode, you just click on it, and now we will switch only between ANC and transparency using gestures, because in the application you can still enable normal mode. And as you can see, I cannot disable more that one, because we need to have at least two features here. So if you don't need transparency, just disable it, and now you will switch between ANC and normal mode. Also, we have press and hold, where is the call, but there is nothing to change. You can just disable to reject a call. It's up to you, I want to leave it. And for the swipe, we have only option to adjust volume, so I want to also leave it, and we cannot add volume control for the double press, triple press, or press and hold. So it's a good one, I guess. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.